Good morning. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Let's start our morning off with a little bit of a feelings check-in. Show me your thumbs. Are you feeling happy? Thumbs up kind of morning? Maybe you're tired? Thumb sideways? Or are some of you feeling a little sad or angry? Thumbs down? However you're feeling today, it's always great to start your morning off with a nice deep breath so we can get our brains ready for thinking and learning. So close your eyes with me, take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out really slowly through your mouth. Okay, as you can see, I'm back at home today. I'm not in the classroom today like I was yesterday. We're going to do our messages a little bit differently again. Got to keep you on your toes. Here's my message board to start with. We always start at the top with number 1. And remember, I can always tell it's a number 1 if I don't remember what that number is. I just need to count the dots next to it. So I looked and I see a number 1 and I only see 1 dot, so that tells me I'm right on. So let's look and see what our first message is. Our first message is going to be about one of our lessons today. All right, friends, the first message today has something to do with this. What is this? Looks like a regular old cardboard box, doesn't it? A cardboard shoebox, maybe. But is it really just a box? What else could it be? Maybe if I take the cover off and I stand it up like this, I could draw some things in here and it could be a dollhouse. Or maybe if I put it this way and I ask my mom and dad to help me cut a hole in there and I put the cover back on, maybe it could be a garage for my cars or my trucks. Maybe if I keep the cover on and I cut a big hole in here, maybe it could be an oven to bake some cookies. Or you could add a couple other things and make it into a musical instrument. You could put some things in here to shake. There are lots and lots of ideas that you can do with a cardboard box. Now, my cardboard box is a little bit small. Maybe yours is smaller than mine. Maybe yours is bigger than mine. There are endless possibilities for what you can do with a cardboard box. Have fun making whatever your heart desires, whatever your imagination has in there with your cardboard box today. Okay, everybody. We got message number 1 done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my eraser and we're going to erase message 1 to let us know we're all done. What comes next? Message number 2. Let's see what's on our lesson plan for today for message number 2. Okay, here we are with the second message. I have a purple marker, a purple colored pencil, and a purple crayon. Does purple crayon give you an idea of what we might be doing? If you looked ahead at our lesson plan and you watched the YouTube video of the story Harold and the Purple Crayon, you'll know what we're doing today. You're going to need something purple to write with. Here are the things that I have at my house. Maybe you have something different. And you're going to need some paper. And I know that this journal has lots of blank paper in it for me to make a story. Open up to a blank page. Find something purple to write or draw with, and see what Harold did. Are there any stories you can draw pictures of? Maybe your favorite picnic food. Harold likes 9 different kinds of pie. What kind of things would you eat at your picnic? Or what does your window look like in your bedroom? Does it have curtains? Does it have a moon, just like Harold's? Take your purple things, purple crayon, purple marker, purple pencil. Draw some pictures about what you think is the most fun thing for you to do with your purple crayon. Okay, here we are back at our message board. We just finished message number 2, so I'm going to erase message number 2 to let us know that we're all finished with that for today. Now we need to move on to message number 3. Remember, if we can't remember that this is a 3, what can we do to help us find out? You're right, count the dots. 1, 2, 3. 3. This tells me that this is a 3. Today on the lesson plan, it says we're going to explore numbers. We've got lots of different things in our learning kits that have numbers on them. Here are a few other things that you might have at your house where you can explore numbers. These are magnets from my refrigerator. Do you see the numbers on them? Mine have numbers and pictures, so my daughter can look at the number and then count how many animals there are just to make sure she's right. Kind of like the dots we have in our 10 frame. So maybe you have magnet numbers. We also have cards at our house, like this. There's numbers on these cards too. Do any of you have cards with numbers on them? Here's something else that has numbers on it at our house. This is a game that we have, but do you see the number in the top corners of the cards? There are lots of different things that we have in our house that have numbers on them. We don't always have to use just the little cards that are in our learning kits. Be creative. Look around your house for cards, for magnets, for anything that has numbers on it that you can explore and put together. What would happen if I took a number 2 and I took a number 4, a 2 and a 4, could say it's 24, or if I wanted to add the numbers together, I could have 2 plus 4. So let's try that one with our fingers. 2 fingers on this hand, 4 fingers on this hand. These are my different cards. Let's count how many fingers I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 2 plus 4 is 6. Pretty cool, huh? There's a lot of different ways you can add numbers. Maybe you want to do something special called subtract numbers. That can be a little difficult. Here is the number 4 and the number 2 again. I have 4 fingers. Now I want to take away 2 of them. So I'm going to take away this one and I'm going to take away this one. How many fingers do I have left? Just 2. Those are some ways you can challenge yourself with some of the number exploring that you're going to do today. All right, everybody, we got done with message 3, so let's erase that one off our board. There's one more left. Does anyone remember what this number is? Shout it out if you know it. Yep, it's number 4. Let's count the dots together just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we did it. The last message today is an I love you ritual. Normally I would show you these with Harper, but Harper is at school right now. Not school like you have, school like daycare school. She's there so that she can have some time to learn, just like you have some time to learn too. Our I love you ritual is called Jack Be Noodle. It's got a fun little rhyme in it, so I'll say it first. Jack be noodle, Jack be stiff. Jack, come over and hug me quick. I know something. None of you have the name Jack. So let's put one of your names in there. I'll put my daughter's name in there. Harper be noodle, Harper be stiff. Harper, come over and hug me quick. So parents, you can add your child's name to this. And friends, what is it like if you're a noodle? Maybe a wiggly wet noodle. What would your body do? If I said Harper be noodle, would she wiggle around like this? Probably. What does your body do when you are stiff? You stand straight and tall and you don't move anything. If you hear someone say, "Come over and hug me quick," does that mean we're going very slow or does that mean we're going very fast? You guessed it. You get to run. You get to go fast and hug someone quick. Have fun with this I love you ritual. Try it with other family members at home. There's lots and lots of other I love you rituals we've worked on, so pick your favorite and add this one to the bunch. Okay, we made it to the last message and we're all done with this one, so we're going to erase it. I'm checking out my board. There's nothing left on it, which tells me I don't have any messages left to share with you today. But what I do have left to share with you today are butterfly kisses. So get your butterfly wand out if you've made one, or get your butterfly hands out. We're going to share a little bit of butterfly kisses with our school family today. We've been gone and we've been missed. Where would we like our butterfly kiss? Let's have a kiss on our cheek today. I miss all of you guys. I wish I could see you in the classroom. I wish I could give you big, big hugs. And I hope that you can give me big hugs over video too. But since I don't have any more messages for you today, we're going to wish each other well. So get your fingers ready with me. I wish you well. I wish you well. All through your day today, I wish you well. Here are my hugs and I'm sending them out to you. Have a wonderful Tuesday. I'll see you all again tomorrow morning on Wednesday. Bye-bye.